Hey guys, welcome back to Angular 10 Spring Boot CRUD full stack application tutorials series. In this video, let's go ahead and let's add Bootstrap CSS library in our Angular application. Bootstrap is a CSS framework which we can use to develop a responsive layouts in our web applications. So there are various ways to integrate Bootstrap in our Angular application. We'll see a few of the simple ways. So first we'll see how to install Bootstrap using npm command, and we'll add a path to our Angular application. For example, open new integrated terminal in VS Code. Go to the terminal, click on new terminal, and make sure that you are in a root folder of your project. And here you need to just type the command npm install bootstrap --save and hit enter. So this will install a Bootstrap CSS packages inside a node_modules folder, and it will add a new entry in package.json file with its version. For example, if you open package.json file, here you can see a Bootstrap package is added. Once Bootstrap CSS package is successfully installed, go to the angular.json file, and here you can find styles array. So here you can configure a Bootstrap CSS library like this. So this is the path to the Bootstrap CSS library that just we have installed. So this is the first way, and the second way is go to the styles.css file, and here we can just import the path of the Bootstrap CSS library that just we have installed. So this is pretty simple, and I prefer using this way. I globally define the CSS file path over here inside styles.css file. And another way is you can download a Bootstrap CSS remote links from CDN. For example, go to the browser, and in a new tab just search for Bootstrap for CDN link, and go to the official website of Bootstrap, and here you can find the CDN remote links of Bootstrap CSS library. Go ahead and click on copy button. So this will copy this URL. So comment out this code and go to the index.html file and go to the header section. Within a header section, just paste the link. Okay, so this is the another way. So these are the three ways I have found integrating Bootstrap CSS library in Angular application. So you can use either one to integrate Bootstrap in Angular application. So to keep it simple, I am going to use the CDN remote links like this, or you can also use this way. So this is the standard way that I prefer. So let me delete this and let me use this way. So you can go to the styles.css and you can configure this path like this. And in order to make sure that whether the Bootstrap is successfully integrated in our Angular application, what I will do is I will open app component template, and I will just remove all the code, and I will add some CSS to h1 HTML element like this. Let me use double curly braces, though this is called interpolation in Angular. So we can use interpolation to access the properties of component, and title is defined in app component, so I am going to just display title in a web page. And let's use text center Bootstrap CSS class in order to display this title at the center of the page. Let's go ahead and let's use class property, and here I'm going to say text -center. Let's save the file and let's go back to the browser, and let's refresh, and you can able to see here Angular frontend. So this is the name of the project, that is the title that is printed on a middle of the page. It means that a Bootstrap CSS library is successfully integrated in Angular application. If you comment out this code, alright, and save the file and look at here. So without a Bootstrap CSS library, how the title aligned here. Okay, you got the difference, right? So look at here, after adding Bootstrap CSS library, the title is aligned at the center of the page. Alright guys, we have successfully integrated Bootstrap CSS library in our Angular application. Going forward, we are going to use a lot of Bootstrap CSS classes to make our web pages responsive and pretty. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys in next video.